Okay, I am going to hike up now, and isn't this nice? Do you see that? Such a nice natural structure there. So I had an invigorating walk. It was fun. And like I shared, all these different entrance points have labels. See that? This one we came from. Here we go, I'll show you. See that? There. For those of you who cannot get out of your home or have a physical disability or mobility issues or limitations of any sort, I hope that this video helps revive some of those senses for you that you might miss in terms of being outdoors, getting some hiking in and being close to the beach and other natural wonders. I really appreciate how peaceful it all feels as well. Yeah, and walking up this trail brings memories, because I did bring my mom and dad here, and I have a photo where they're hiking up as well. It was pretty cool. It was a family hike.